In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your game version and force updates on Steam. Keeping your games up to date helps ensure you have the latest features, bug fixes, and compatibility improvements. Steam makes it easy to check your game's update information and manage how updates are installed. To get started, open Steam and sign into your account. Then, click on Library and find the game you want to check. Right-click on the game and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Updates tab. Here, you'll find information about your game, including details such as the app ID, build ID, and the date the game was last updated. This can help you verify whether you're running a recent version of the game. If you want Steam to always keep the game up to date, locate the Automatic Updates section and choose Always Keep this game updated from the drop-down menu. If an update is available but hasn't been installed yet, Steam will begin downloading it according to your update settings. You can also check the Downloads section in Steam to see whether an update is currently pending or downloading. And that's all there is to it. By checking the Updates tab and configuring your automatic update settings, you can make sure your Steam games stay up to date with the latest releases.